Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Sagicor Investments is expanding into Cayman. The company today announced plans to set up extensive operations in that country. Now, Chief Executive Officer of Sagicor Investments, Kevin Donaldson, says the company's Cayman business is expected to rival its Jamaican operation. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has more.
Sagicor Group reporting another year of record profits after successfully initiating major acquisitions last year. The company now moving full speed ahead towards its next conquest.
So we are going to capitalize the business properly, and we are going to set up a Sagicor Investments Cayman. So what you see in Jamaica is just a start. What we're going to do in Cayman is something more suited for that market, but the mantra remains the same. Asset management, investment banking. That's how we're going to grow the business.
So what exactly will the new Cayman business involve?
Cayman, we are going to build a wealth management business there. We're going to build an asset management business there. We're going to build an investment banking business there. We already have clientele that we are targeting there, and we expect to launch that before the end of Q2, latest Q3.
Group Chief Executive Officer Christopher Zaka says once the company's licenses are approved, business will start.
We have applied for the companies formed. We have applied for investment banking license in Cayman, and we're awaiting SEMA approval. Once that is done, and we don't expect that to take too long, we'll be ready to roll.
The financial performance of Sagicor Group Jamaica last year has moved the company to second place in terms of net profits among all listed companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in May lost 16 cents, traded at $63.40 a barrel. In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continued its slide today. The US dollar is selling for $132.35. The Canadian dollar closed at $100.33. The pound went for $170.13, while the euro ended the day at $148.77. The JSE index lost 1,543 points today, while the junior market index, it gained less than a point. Stocks posting gains today included Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Pulse Investments, Lasca Manufacturing, Jamaican Teas, and Proven Investments. On the losing side were Cygnus Credit Investments, Express Catering, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Barita Investments, and Fosrich. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.